Hey, what's up guys? Back at Novtech HQ. This time I've got friends. We've got Andy and Danny here from Aorus. Today we're chatting to you about these Aorus liquid water coolers. We've got the 280, the 240 and the 360. We'll have a look at the overview, have a look at the specs of them, get them out of the box so you can see them. Maybe run some tests on them as well so you can see the temps versus an air cooler and a CPU stock cooler. Boo! No one wants a stock cooler. If you got a stock cooler, just turn this video off right now, I would. Cause
yeah, do it.
Yeah, definitely.
Or, actually, keep watching, because afterwards
yes.
you'll probably buy one of these. So yeah, marketing 101. But let's have a chat about some questions, get some answers, get you all the good stuff. So Aorus water coolers, RGB, but what else about them so good?
Well, the other good thing about the fact that we've obviously got 3 models is the fact that all of them come with an LCD screen. So it's like a little 60 by 60 LCD screen. You can do some really cool stuff with it. It comes with 7 default modes, all right? Which means that you can show the CPU temperature, the clock speeds of the CPU, the fan speeds and how all that's going to work, and show you some basic system information. I mean, some of the stuff that you can do with this is just absolutely amazing.
Wait, Andy, does that mean you can put literally anything on there?
Literally anything, Danny.
Anything.
All it has to be is like a bitmap file, about 360 by 360, I think it goes. You can make it up to about 830. It's scalable. And then using the Aorus RGB software, the Fusion 2.0 software, you can load anything you want.
Anything.
BMP, so not PNG, no?
No, not PNG. It has to be a bitmap file.
Bitmap. 1980 called it, wants its file back. So the cooler range, you got 3 products, right?
Yeah, we got 3 in the range. The reason that we have 3 is obviously it totally depends on what you're doing with your system. Obviously, if you're running a really high-end CPU, high-end overclocks, then perhaps you want a 360 version. But obviously then there are different things for different uses, okay? They all come with a 3-year warranty, which is one of the best things about them, all right? Obviously, we've already covered over the LCD screen that come with them. So we've got the 240 version, which starts off at the smaller, the 280 and the 360. That obviously means that the radiator sizes are different for the amount of fluid that is pushing through. So the 240 is 2 120mm fans, the 280 is 2 140mm fans, and then the 360 is then obviously 3 120mm fans, which is kind of where the namings come from. Now, all the fans as well, so that we can offer the 3-year warranty, all come with dual ball bearing fans.
So, out of interest, I've got an Intel machine at work, I've got an AMD machine at home.
Yep.
Where am I getting lucky?
On all of them, to be honest with you. So all 3 of the range basically come with all the fittings you need to support all the CPUs pretty much that are on sale at the moment. Some of the older ones, hopefully some of the newer ones as well. So that's going to cover the 2066 CPUs from Intel, the 1151s, 1150s, 1366. It'll also cover the new TR4 and AM4s from AMD.
You told us all this information. I've got stuff going in my head all the time. I once bought a pack of biscuits, right? Multi-pack. No bourbons in there. I was like, what is going on? How am I gonna, how do I know the bourbons aren't in there?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
How about you test these?
What, you talking about like mismarketing, like we'd ever mislead anybody?
Well, I don't know. I do like bourbons though, but you know.
Well, that's fair enough, but bourbons aside, back to the coolers. So what we're going to do is, you don't have to take our word for it, we've set up a couple of test systems. They've been kind enough to lend us a couple of the systems. We've actually put one of our 280 coolers in one of the systems, so all the system specs are exactly the same. We're going to use the 280 cooler because that's the middle of the road one, so we decided that what we do is make sure that it's the average thing. All the system specs are the same, okay? We're going to run CPU-Z so you can see what CPU's in there, and then it will show you with hardware info while SuperPi is running what the results under stress on those CPUs are, so you can see that they're an awful lot cooler.
And they look a lot cooler as well, Andrew.
Yes, Danny, they look cooler too.
Nice. Still want the bourbons, by the way. Now you've seen all the results. You've seen all the specs, all the hardware. Cheers, guys, for your time.
No
really
worries,
appreciate
thanks.
that. Really
It's
good to meet
cool for you to have us.
Oh, unbelievable, isn't it? But if you like the video, leave a comment down below. If you can get a cool pun in there, this guy's going to just absolutely love it, obviously, because cool puns are his cool thing.
We're cool guys.
Oh, indeed.
Unbelievable. He's still going, isn't he? But yeah, like it, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to their channel as well, Aorus UK on all your tags, aren't you?
On all the things.
Grams, Facebooks, MySpaces. And then, yeah, thanks very much. See you next time. Next time I'll probably be on my own as well. I won't have any friends. I never have any friends. Bourbons, don't go.